Rolling with, roll over. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, roll over. By the end of this video, you'll understand its various meanings and how to use it confidently in different situations. When we think of the action to roll over, we might imagine a dog performing a trick, turning its body over in a complete circle. Roll over in its most literal sense means to move from one side to another, typically by turning over on an axis or a central point. Example, the ball rolled over when I pushed it. In the world of finance, roll over has a different implication. When someone decides to roll over a financial product, like a certificate of deposit or a loan, it means they're moving the funds or terms from one agreement to another. Example, I decided to roll over my retirement account into a new investment fund. In the digital age, rollover can refer to a user moving their mouse cursor over a digital element, such as an icon or a hyperlink, without clicking on it. This action often reveals more information or triggers a change in the appearance of that element. Example, when you roll over the image, a description will pop up. Roll over is versatile and has made its way into other expressions. For instance, roll over and play dead is an idiomatic phrase meaning to easily give up or not resist against opposition. Example, when faced with criticism, don't just roll over and play dead, defend your ideas. And there we have it. From a simple physical movement to financial decisions and even to computer interactions, rollover has diverse applications in English. We hope you found this explainer enlightening. Keep rolling with your English learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.